Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your laptop's wireless adapter is enabled and visible to the system. Open Network Settings, make sure the Wi-Fi toggle is on, and inspect any physical wireless switch or FN key. Toggle it once to reset hardware state. Then look at the router and modem lights. If they're off or red, power cycle both by unplugging 30 seconds then plugging back in. Once done, try to scan for networks. This validates whether the problem is local to your laptop or the upstream equipment. Next, you'll rebuild the connection state. Forget the target network and reconnect by re-entering the SSID and password to clear cached credentials. If that fails, address software drivers. Open Device Manager or System Preferences, update the wireless driver, or reinstall it from the laptop maker's site, because corrupted drivers often break connectivity. Run the OS Network Troubleshooter to detect configuration issues, and verify IP settings with ipconfig or ifconfig. Make sure you have a valid DHCP lease rather than a 169. To finish, confirm the fix by testing internet access in a browser and pinging a reliable host. If it works, reconnect other services and resume normal use. If issues persist, reset network settings to factory defaults or perform a recent system restore point to undo problematic changes. Make sure to record error messages, adapter names, and test results. This helps when contacting your ISP or IT support. One troubleshooting tip: test with another device. If it also fails, focus on the router or ISP rather than the laptop.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.